Hey guys, I'm Morphin, and this is the video review of the Lightning Collection Pink Ranger helmet from Mighty Morphin Power Rangers. This is the helmet for the Mighty Morphin Pink Ranger. So, with that explanation out of the way, let's begin. First up, let's take a look at the stand. Now, it's the same stand as the red and white helmets, so nothing much to say. Next up, let's take a look at the Pink Ranger helmet itself. Now, it looks good. I don't know if you can tell on camera, but mine has some paint bleed. And again, still has the fake clasp. On its own, it doesn't really do much. Next up, let's take a look at what the helmet looks like on this stand. Next up, let's take a look at what the helmet looks like on my head. It doesn't really fit me all that well. As you can see, there's still some space right here, which sucks. And there we go. This is a okay helmet, but my problem is that it is small, so you will have a hard time putting this on. And once again, it has fake clasp, and I don't like it at all. And I wish the stand would have been different. So, yeah. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Hit the notification bell to get notified when I upload a new video. And I see you in the next one.